Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We are still doing our Thanksgiving Black Friday haul unboxing. This is box number 6 and we have one more box to go. Technically we have 2, but the last one probably will not come in until sometime next week or the week after. So we'll unbox that one in about 3 or 4 weeks for you guys. We have enough to do some total unboxings. So we're starting. This video should be going up on Thursday. Friday will be the last Thanksgiving Day haul video, but we will also be unboxing the kit on Friday that we'll be doing for February. So look forward to that. Let's go ahead and get this open so we can see all the goodness that I got. I got way too much goodness on Black Friday. Spent way too much, but that is for you guys. A majority of these kits will be completed this year, hopefully. That is my hope. And put up in the shop for sale. So let's get to know these kits. Okay. Some of these look like repeats, which is fine. That just means more for you. Some of the repeats I'll be doing one for myself to keep here and then selling the other one. Alrighty. Our first one is a square. And we are going to focus in. This one is Tara by Micah Jelena. See how close we can get it. And it is a 51 by 69. Our next one is Spring Little Dragon. This one is by Shania Pike, or Shania Pike. Sorry if I mispronounced that. This one is a 56 by 71. And our next one is Winter Solace. This is by Abraham Hunter. And I believe, let me look at it. Yes, it goes like this. Let's see if we can get it. Has beautiful mountains and everything like that. This is a 88 by 70. That one's a monster. And this one is by Joel McIntyre. It is called Scarecrow and Friends. Let's see if we can get you. There we go. It is a 90 by 70. This one I'm probably going to save until the fall of next year to do. No More Dragon Breath by Randall Spangler. And last but not least out of this box is Boo by Randall Spangler. And this one is a 64 by 56. And again, that's it for this unboxing. They're all short and sweet. Starting on Friday is when we will start unboxing individual kits. So keep a lookout for that. And we have more stuff coming to the channel starting in February. January is going to be our workup month to get stuff ready to go. So keep an eye out on Instagram and Facebook. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay safe, wear your mask, do not go to work sick, please, and have a blessed day. Toodles!